Repair Adobe files on Windows. The newly released Adobe File Repair feature can automatically detect PSD, PSB, and AI file information, including image width and height, number of layers, and number of channels, and then repair them quickly and effortlessly. Repairit can fix PSD, PSB, and AI created by all major versions of Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator on Windows and Mac. So let's start the repair process. Upload the Adobe files in File Repair. Repair Adobe files. Preview and save the restored files. Step 1. Upload the Adobe files in File Repair. Firstly, launch Wondershare Repairit on your desktop or search box. Then, go More Types Repair. File Repair. Click the plus Add button to open a File Explorer window to choose and upload the corrupted Adobe files. Step 2. Repair Adobe files. After uploading all the files, you will see this interface. Click Repair to fix your corrupted PSD, PSB, and AI files. Note, this is the quick repair mode for not severely damaged files. Step 3. Start File Repair. After clicking the Repair button, Repairit will begin to repair your corrupted Adobe files immediately. If your files cannot be repaired through the Quick Repair mode, turn on the Advanced Repair mode. A window will prompt asking you to add a sample file to the files that failed to be repaired. Note, a sample file is a good, openable file of the same format. After adding the sample file, this program will automatically start the advanced repair. Wait for a few seconds to get your desired results. Step 4. Preview and save the restored files. Now, click Preview to preview the resulting files. Finally, if you're satisfied with the repair results, click Save to download them to your computer.